Good day. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn about orbits and orbiter. In chemistry, when we say orbits or orbiter, they don't mean the same thing. They are not the same thing at all. There are two different things which can never be used interchangeably. Orbits. What is an orbit in chemistry? In chemistry, when an atom, for instance, say an helium atom, for instance, all atoms has nucleus. Nucleus contains both neutron and proton. While in an atom, let's say this is an lithium atom, and of course lithium has 3 electrons, 2 in the first shell and the last one in what? In the outermost shell. In a lithium atom, these are the orbits. Orbits are the circular parts, the elliptical parts in which electrons moves. This part now, this is the orbit. This is another orbit in which the outermost shell, outermost electron moves. Electrons are always in constant motion, in contrast to proton that occupies the nucleus. These are what? The orbits. Why orbit is just the elliptical parts? What about orbiter? Orbiter simply means the position in which electrons can be what? Can be seen maximally. The position in which electron occupies maximally. In orbiter, of course, we already explained that electrons are always in constant motion. Of course, at a particular time, this electron will leave this space. So, orbiter simply means where you can see the electron maximally. And we have different types of orbiters. We have S orbiter. S orbiter is the first orbiter, and it has a circular shape. S orbiter. S orbiter is circular. This is an S orbiter. It's circular. ZX. What? S orbital is circular, and the maximum electrons which S orbital can occupy is what? Is 2 electrons. 2 electrons. The size of S orbital thereby will increase. It will increase with what? Its principal quantum number. Then we still have the P orbital. Don't forget we have S orbital. The next one is P orbital. P orbital is the next orbital after S orbital. And we have the shape of P orbital is dumbbell. Is what? It's dumbbell. It's dumbbell. For instance now, this is a particular P orbital. We have 3 types of P orbitals. We have the px orbital. X orbital has subshells. Px is the first subshell. This is a px orbital. Equally, we have py orbital. Py orbital. Py orbital. That is exactly when we have something like this. A double dumbbell. It's like a bell ring. You can call it lobes. This is one lobe, this is another lobe. So this is what? A py orbital. This is a py orbital. This is a py orbital. Yeah, it's correct already. This is a py orbital. Equally, we have pz orbital. Pz orbital. You can see the lobes of the orbital is lying on the what? On the z axis. On the z axis. So this is pz orbital. The maximum electrons whereby p orbital can occupy is 6. S is 2 electrons, P is 6 electrons, which means that each subshells will occupy 2 electrons each. Additionally, we have 6 electrons in the p orbital. The next orbital that we have is d orbital. D orbital. D orbital is a double dumbbell. D orbital is a double dumbbell. This is a particular dumbbell. This is another one. This is D orbital. And the maximum electrons whereby D orbital can occupy is 10 electrons. 10 electrons. The reason is because D orbitals contains 5 subshells. There are 5 subshells, and each subshells has 5 electrons each. And as well, we have F orbitals, which will occupy a maximum of 14 electrons. A maximum of what? 14 electrons. It is very clear that orbital, let's have this table. Let's have this table. Orbit, then orbital. Orbit, orbital. The first difference between them is that orbit is what? It's a circular path. Why what? Orbital is where electrons is maximum. That is the first difference between orbit and orbital. Orbit is just what? The circular path where electrons revolves around the nucleus. The next difference between them is that orbit is what? Is two-dimensional. Is two-dimensional. While orbital is what? Is three-dimensional. Orbital is what? Three-dimensional. Another difference that we can see is that orbit while orbital, only s orbital, is directional. The last difference that we can have is that orbit is always what? Circular in shape. Orbit is always circular in shape, while orbital, in essence, different orbital has a different shapes. S is circular, of course, S is circular. P orbital is what? Dumbbell. Y what? D orbital is double dumbbell. So those are the differences between orbit and orbital. In chemistry, orbit and orbital do not mean the same thing. Thank you.